In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple budget tracker in Google Sheets. This is a great way to manage your finances, track your spending, and see where you might want to cut back or save a bit more. Whether you're new to Sheets or just looking for a straightforward, practical solution, this guide is just for you. Let's get started by opening a Google Sheet. If you're new to Google Sheets, you can do this by going to your Google Drive and clicking on New, followed by Google Sheets. Once your new sheet is open, the first step is to click on cell H4. This is where we will start setting up the formulas that will automatically calculate your budget data based on your entries. Now, in cell H4, type in the formula ILS SUM B5 B7. This formula plays a crucial role as it calculates the sum of the range you've specified, in this case from B5 to B7. This can be particularly helpful if you are tracking multiple sources of income and need a single total that gives you an overview. After that, move to cell H5. Here, you'll need to type another sum formula, which is IS SUM E5 E29. This part is about tracking your expenses. The range here might be larger, as typically you have more expenses to track than income sources. By using this formula, you can sum up all your expenses, which helps in providing a clearer picture of your monthly outflow. Next, click into cell H6. At this point, enter the formula ISO H4 H5. What we're doing here is calculating your net budget. By subtracting the total expenses stored in H5 from your total income in H4, it gives you a direct overview of what's left over after all your expenses are accounted for. This is a pivotal step as it essentially captures the essence of budgeting, knowing what's left to either save or allocate elsewhere once bills and expenditures are sorted. Finish by hitting the Enter key. The entered formulas will now calculate automatically, updating in real time as you add and update data in your sheet. The simplicity of this setup is its greatest strength, as it allows you to have a quick glance over your financial situation without complicated charts or graphs. Remember, the key to effective budgeting is consistency. Regularly update your sheet with your income and expenses, and the automated calculations will do the hard work for you. With a tidy Google Sheet setup like this, you'll always have a clear snapshot of your finances right at your fingertips. Keep practicing, and you'll soon become a pro at managing your budget using Google Sheets. Thank you for joining me in creating this simple yet powerful budget tracker.